Welcome to South Coast Cranberry Farms, located only a few miles away from the desirable coastal community of Bandon, Oregon. The area is famous for its scenic beaches, great food, amazing fishing, world-class golf at the Bandon Dunes Resort, and the Oregon Dunes, a mecca for off-road adventure. Oregon is one of the top 5 states in the nation for cranberry production, with the majority of it being grown in the South Coast due to the temperate climate, favorable growing seasons, good water resources, and quality soils. The Laurel Creek Farm is located just 7 miles south of Bandon and is conveniently accessed from Highway 101. The well-maintained farm is comprised of 146 acres with 46 net acres of cranberries spread over 28 bogs that produce exclusively Stevens varietal berries. The farm has 51 acres of primary water rights and storage rights for 28.5 acre-feet. The executive-style main home sits privately overlooking the cranberries and enjoys a wonderful open-concept floor plan with large vaulted ceilings and chalet windows to the west for beautiful views and coastal sunsets. Both the north and south wings of the main home feature private suites with great views and deck access. A third bedroom, large laundry room, and bonus room round out the single-level home. Outside is a large deck, ample parking, and a beautiful view. The farm also includes a nice 2,600 square foot second home, 4,000 square foot shop, and 3,200 square foot equipment storage building. This offering creates an intriguing opportunity for the discerning buyer to acquire a production agribusiness with a beautiful main home, all while being located in one of the most attractive and charming coastal communities in Oregon. Thank you for touring this property with us today.